Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. The name is Akia Mensah. Glad to see you here on the channel. Let me take you through shortly on this lesson on literature. The fancy name for literature is Kasadwin. There are two forms of literature. We have the oral literature, that is Ano Kasadwin, and the written literature, that is Achiro Kasadwin. There are some examples of literature that we have. Listen to their names in English as well as in fancy. Here, now, I'm starting with the Ano Kasadwin, that is the oral literature. One, Abebu ana Abebusam. English is proverb, Anansesam, tales, Odumankumasam, myth, Ekunyinsam, legends, Ebisa, riddles, Arinsam Atkinson, epics, Abromi, puzzles, Arinsam, poems, lamentation, quadrum, ana usu quadrum, Nsagu, libation.